Welcome aboard the new 2024 Sea Ray 280 SLX Outboard. We're here at MarineMax Kent Island, and this is one of Sea Ray's newest models. It's equipped with twin V8 250 horsepower Mercury Verados, so plenty of power. You have a nice swim platform with sea deck matting, large sun pad, easy to walk through to the cockpit, and you have plenty of seating all around. Double wide helm seat with twin 12-inch digital dash. This boat has JPO, so joystick piloting option. So you have easy docking with the joystick. It's got an upgraded Fusion stereo system. We have a nice head, vacuum flush with sink, and sea deck matting. Sea deck throughout the whole boat as well. Here we have a nice port side seat with flip up bolster. Walk through to the bow. With a windlass, stainless steel anchor. There's even a bow shade system that can be set up here that attaches to the power tower. So right here we have the power tower, which is a very nice option. This boat is loaded up with almost every option you could possibly have. Lots of shade. And there's even a extension on this top that'll give you even more shade towards the stern. Thanks for joining me. This is the 2024 Sea Ray 280 SLX Outboard. Come down and see it anytime.